Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the SD card closely. Look for bent pins, cracks, or corrosion and clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Once done, insert the card into a reliable reader on a tested computer so you can run diagnostics. Make sure to copy any readable files to another drive. That protects your data and lets you proceed with recovery tools or partition checks without risking additional loss. You next run a file system check so the OS can repair logical errors. On Windows, use chkdsk with the /f flag, and on Mac OS or Linux, run fsck on the device node. If files remain inaccessible, try specialized recovery tools like PhotoRec to extract data before changing partitions. Meanwhile, inspect the partition table in Disk Management or Disk Utility. If the card shows RAW or no partition, you now know why mounting failed and can plan a safe format or partition rebuild. You finish by formatting the card to a compatible file system. Use the SD Association Formatter for best results, or choose FAT32/XFAT via the OS if needed. After formatting, copy large files and run a speed/size check to confirm stability and true capacity. If problems persist, retry with another reader, perform a low-level format, and remember that recurring write errors usually mean hardware failure. If so, replace the card and restore your data from backups when possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.